Are you making these critical mistakes when it comes to one of the most important parts of your personal grooming routine? Gents, in today's video, I'm talking about the massive mistakes that most guys make when washing their face. The first deadly mistake most men make when washing their face, they don't wash their hands first. Your hands typically have more than 1,500 bacteria per square centimeter. Think about it. If you don't clean your hands first, you're about to wipe all of those bacteria right onto your face. In fact, it's been stated by researchers that neglecting to wash your hands before washing your face negates the cleaning altogether. So take 30 seconds to thoroughly wash your hands with antibacterial soap before you wash your face. The second face washing mistake is using the same soap for your face and body. The fact is, the skin on your face is not as thick or rough as the skin on your hands and body. Regular hand soap or body wash will strip away too much valuable moisture from your face. What you want to use is a face wash specifically formulated for the face's more delicate skin. The third face washing mistake is wetting your face with water that's too hot or too cold. Water that's too hot strips away moisture and dries out your skin. Water that's too cold closes the pores, which can trap dirt and oil. Instead, stick with lukewarm, room temperature water. It'll open up your pores for cleaning and won't cause irritation. The next big mistake men make when washing their face, rubbing your face too hard with the towel when washing or drying off your face can lead to irritation. Instead, when washing your face, you want to use your hands instead of a towel or loofah, and when drying your face, you want to gently pat your face with a clean cotton towel. Don't rub or pull at the skin with the towel. The next mistake guys make when washing their face, they wash it too often or not enough. On average, you should wash your face twice a day. Once when you wake up to clean away any oil or sweat that built up while you were sleeping, and once in the evening before going to bed to clean away any sweat or dirt that may have built up throughout the day. Washing more often than this can dry out and irritate your skin. The next big mistake guys make when it comes to washing their face, not having a full skincare routine. Most guys just wash their face once or twice a day and call it good. The reality is, for great looking skin, you want to have a solid skincare routine. In addition to washing your face twice a day, you want to be exfoliating your face twice a week. You want to be looking to use a moisturizer. In addition, if you've got wrinkles, maybe you want to look at an anti-aging cream, or if you've got those bags under the eyes, you want to be using an eye cream. Now, I've shared with you what not to do, but how do you actually clean your face the right way from start to finish? Well, gentlemen, I've got a 5-step process I'm going to share with you right now. So let's make this easy, gents. Tiege Hanley equals you being more handsome. If you're not familiar with Tiege Hanley, guys, I've talked about this company for years. They make it simple. They make it easy for you to take care of your skin. So the skincare level 1, it comes with the wash, it comes with the AM, it comes with the PM, it comes with the scrub. And the best part about this is the instruction manual. They have made it so simple to be able to develop your own skincare routine. And let's say you're getting bags under the eyes. Well, guys, you can upgrade to their skincare level 2 that comes with their eye serum. And let's say you want a little bit more. You're a little bit of an older guy, you're starting to get wrinkles. You want to look at their super serum in their skincare level 3. This is the one I use. I absolutely love it, guys. I've been to the factory. I know what they put into this stuff. These are quality ingredients, what you get, and the system here. This is an amazing deal. If you tried to put this together separately and just go into your drugstore, you're going to pay 10 times as much. And if you've got acne, gents, check out their Acne 1 or their Acne 2 system. Find which one works for you. They've got all the details on the website. And when it comes to convenience, guys, what I love about Tiege Hanley is they deliver this right to your door. You can have a 30-day, 60-day, 90-day system. You can go onto their website. You can cancel when you want. I'm linking to Tiege Hanley down in the description with the best discount code you're going to find out there. Use it or lose it. That deal's not going to be around forever. Great deal. Go check them out. Use that link down in the description. Step number 1, wash. After making sure your hands are clean, wet your face with warm water to open the pores. Apply a small amount of your favorite face wash into your palm and rub it between your hands to make a lather. Gently rub the soap onto your face. You don't have to be overly aggressive when applying it. After about 20 seconds, rinse your face off with warm water. Now, if you're not going to be exfoliating today, go ahead and take a towel and pat your skin dry. Step 2, exfoliation. Exfoliating your face is the best way to remove old, dead skin cells and reveal the young, healthy skin underneath. You need to exfoliate your skin about twice a week for optimum results. exfoliating more often can be a bit rough on the skin and lead to irritation. Now to get started, you want to apply a small amount of an exfoliating scrub onto your palm. Rub your hands together to spread it out evenly. Now you want to gently massage the exfoliating scrub onto your face, working in small circles for about 20 seconds. Again, be gentle here. You don't want to push too hard. You don't want to be overly aggressive. It can lead to skin irritation. Once you're done, rinse your face off with warm water and pat your skin dry with a clean, soft towel. Step 3, eye cream. If you suffer from dark circles around the eyes, puffy eyes, or crow's feet, you're going to want to start to use an eye cream to counteract them. So to get started, dab a bit of eye cream onto your fingertips. Remember, a little bit goes a long way here. Gently work the cream into the skin below your eyebrows and the skin below your eyes. FYI, you don't need to apply eye cream onto your eyelids, and be very careful not to get any in your eyes. Once you're done, give the eye cream 1 minute to absorb into the skin. Step 4, anti-aging serum. Now, if you're over the age of 30 or you're starting to see wrinkles on your face, it may be time to add an anti-aging serum to your routine. Now, anti-aging serums, these type of products, they work to improve circulation and water retention in your face, both of which get worse as you age. A cream like this, when consistently used, is a powerful tool to keep your skin looking young and vibrant. To get started, apply the serum to the tips of your fingers and then apply it evenly onto your cheeks and onto your forehead. You want to gently rub the anti-aging serum into your skin for about a minute or until it's dry. Step 5, moisturize. Washing your face strips away the oils and moisture from your skin. It's important to add moisture back. After every time you wash your face, you want to apply a moisturizer. After your morning wash, I recommend using a moisturizer that contains a sunblock of at least 15 SPF. This will protect your face throughout the day from the harmful UV rays of the sun, which can prematurely age your skin. Now, after your evening wash, you're going to want to moisturize again. Now, at this point, you can skip the moisturizer with the sunblock. Instead, look for something that's actually made for nighttime application. These are oftentimes going to be thicker, and they're going to do a great job just sitting on the skin throughout the night, helping to moisturize it. Remember, gents, just like a good diet and exercise program, consistency is key when it comes to your face cleaning routine. So what video to watch next? Well, how about how to clean your ears properly? Yes, most men are messing this up. Make sure to watch this video where I teach you how to properly clean your ears.